Hi, what's up YouTube? It's Umar and DJ back here again. Um, recently there's a video that I've made on the money that I made. I think a little bit of money that I made. So, and then I think it's just a buy around here. Yeah, a buy around here, which was like an impulsive buy, something like that. Yeah, somewhere around here. So the reason why I'm doing this video, guys, in that previous video I analyzed this market to move upward, even though the take profit that I put was around up here or here, I can't remember, but yeah, I was able to get 1 to 2. But guys, I didn't enter this trade. I missed the trade because if you can see the pattern that I was expecting, which was a break and retest, which was on this zone. Let me delete this so not to confuse you. Right, it was a break and retest. You can see the drawing here. So I saw the break and retest, but I didn't see it because this was around 3:30 a.m. sorry, if you can see, that was when the market retested. So when I wake up in the morning, the market was around here. Let me delete this. The market was around here, so I couldn't enter. So I was anticipating the market to go bearish, but the market still continued going up. So, and there was a news that was being released on Euro USD. Let me show you. This was the news that was released today. There are a lot of news that was released. You can see them. Those are the news that influenced this movement to this top side. So the market started rejecting from nowhere, just like that. If you see, and I want to share this thing with you guys. If you see an impulsive move with a candle like this, having an impulse move like this, and then suddenly you see a bearish candle, even if it's a wick that is more than 50% of that previous candle, guys, just exit the trade, because the basic thing is this candle is suspicious. It's not even normal for you to see this kind of candle, right? Like this one. So this is an information that you can take home with. And then once I see this, I knew that the market is going to retrace. So I was expecting the retracement to be around here. Let me see. Yeah, I was anticipating the market to retrace around here, towards around here. Then I will maybe have a re-entry around here, but the market didn't do that. You can see it around here. The market didn't do that. It broke all the way to this level, and at that time I had a plan that, yeah, there is because when I was analyzing, there was a trend line within the 4 hours and the 1 hour time frame as well. From here, let me show you from the 4 hours. Okay, you can see it. There is a trend line that I've drawn. You can see it right here. There's the first touch, second touch, and this is the third touch. So I knew that when the market was coming here, it's going to react right to this level, because now you can see that I have a confluence of trend line. That is one. And if you can see around here, I'm just trying to show you, around here we have a like minor support level right here. This one, there's a minor support. This trend line is for the break of that structure. Let me delete it. It's no more relevant right now, and this also is no more relevant, so let me delete it. And this is also not really relevant. Same goes for this. All right, because we didn't have the trade. So like, guys, and then I had this previous support right here, and on a normal occasion I know that the market is in a bullish trend, and now here is the touch of the trend line, and then definitely I had my, if you know about my strategy, so I had this kind of bearish move which I wanted to see, right? Because in an uptrend you want to see a bearish move if you want to buy. If you want to buy, you want to see a little bit of bullish trend. What I mean is, whenever you want to buy from the market, if the market is bullish in the higher time frame, you want to see the market making something like this, like this. And then how you're going to enter the market is when the market break here, retest, and then it break this level, come back for a retest, then you enter at this zone, somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here, sorry. And then you put your trend line first, wait for the break, and then you wait for the retest around here, and that should be your entry. Okay, that's the pattern that you need. then the market should continue moving towards the top side, making a series of high. So the basic thing is you want to see the change of structure, and that is what I saw exactly here. So once I draw my counter trend line from here to here, and then the market broke that level, right? And then this is the level that I'm anticipating here. There is the level that I was anticipating around here, somewhere around here, that I want the market to break, because this is the previous kind of resistance that I was anticipating the market to just, you can see the wave to the downside, upside, downside, upside. So this is the most recent resistance, and then now I was anticipating the market to break it, come back for it, then I'll just, you know, enter the trade. I'll just execute, and that's what exactly the market is doing. So now what happened that I entered, now I'm gonna go like into the mentorship side. Okay, I just want to show you some tip. All right, on the 30-minute time frame, you can see that there is no entry confirmation yet, because this candle is about to close around within 24 seconds or 30 something seconds. But then that I entered the market, the candle was about to close around, I think, 9 minutes or something. Yeah, so but what I want to share with you is, look at how this market came all the way, because now there is no really good confirmation for you to enter. But though at that time I knew that this, when I saw this candle moving up like this, leaving this week, I know that definitely the market is rejecting this zone. All right, I know that definitely the market is rejecting this previous resistance right here, which turns to, so which it's trying to make it as a support. Okay, so now this is like the best time to enter the market right here, around here, right? So now when the market was making that, I just entered at this point where you see this long position, whatever, this box. Yeah, so that was what I did. As I entered, that was what I did. All right, so what I want to share with you is the thing that I'm talking about, the mentorship stuff. So now what you should analyze is this in order to confirm the entry, because now you want to know what made me enter. Now I want you to look at something right here. When the market was making a series of bearish candles like this, when it came all the way to this level, it touched on this trend line. That was one. It went all the way up as a bullish, and then it started looking like a bearish candle that's rejecting this previous level, and then it started looking like a bearish, but it's rejected as well all the way to this top side. So now you can see that the bears are no more in the market. Like, see this aggressive bearish candles, and then now you're seeing a bullish candle. You're seeing also a bearish candle, but similar to a bullish, because this bearish, this is a red candle, but it's a bullish candle. If you know about candlesticks, this is a bullish candle. And then this one, which is like an inverse pin bar, or inverse pin bar. All right, and it was also rejecting this level. But what happened? Because if you can see that these two candles here are not even engulfed, so how are you going to say that this market is going to go down? Do you understand? After rejecting all this zone, and you're thinking that this market is just going to go down like that. No, it didn't. And then it prints a bullish candle here, a bullish candle here, a bullish candle here, and then here it's also give a bearish, but and like inverse, because the bulls are here still. So you can see that what I'm just trying to show you is that after the retest of this support level, the bulls have been taking care of the market. That is what is continuing to happen, and that was one of the reasons that I entered this trade. So guys, this is like a top this is like a secret, or let me call it a secret. So this is like a secret which is supposed to be done on the mentorship side that I'm sharing with you. Okay, this is like a secret that I'm sharing with you. So guys, you have to open your eyes in trading and make it easy. So target, yes, I'm targeting here this previous resistance, but I'm not gonna target all the way to the top side because of the kind of rejection that it made towards there. So anywhere around here, I'm just exiting. So it's a 1 to 3.42:1 ratio trade. So I entered with 0.01 lot size in the small account that I'm trading. That small account that I'm talking about flipping, in the smallest account I'm trading. So I entered with 0.01, right here with this candle. So now I just entered with 0.01 on that account, and the reason is because I'm anticipating the market. I wanted to see how the market is going to close with this. Normally 0.01 that I'm supposed to enter the market with. You can see this, the stop loss is just 17 pips beneath here. So now if the market will make a retracement towards this point or anywhere like here, I'm just gonna add in with 0.01. So that's like a kind of compounded. All right, and then stop loss same level. Do you understand? So it's like, yeah, and then I'm just gonna see how the trade will run. Right, I just want to see how the trade will run there. And that's it for this, guys, and let's see.